Hello everyone, this is Bharti Budhiraja. Today we will take up the question answers and the RTCs and the long questions of chapter 1 Beehive, the fun they had. We have understood the chapter talks about the technology and the comparison between today's schools and the schools which will be there in future. So let's look at the questions. First we'll take up the textual questions. How old are Margie and Tommy? So what did the chapter tell us? Margie and Tommy की age क्या थी? Margie was 10 years old and Tommy was 13. What did Margie write in her diary? This is the answer in the first line where the beginning of the chapter. What did she write in her diary? She wrote in her diary about a real book, that Tommy found a real book today in the attic. Had Margie ever seen a book before? So क्या पता चलता है हमें चैप्टर में से? उसने पहले देखी थी बुक कभी? No. She had never seen the book before. तभी वो इतनी फनी लग रही थी उसको स्ट्रेंज लग रही थी. What things about the book did she find strange? First point was, what was the strange thing? That the words were still. जो words थे वो move नहीं करते थे, वो still थे at one point. What was the second thing? That when they turned the page, the words were still the same. So when they turned the page, words were same. Fine. What do you think a telebook is? क्या पता चलता है हमें telebook क्या होगी? Word से ही पता चल रहा है tele and book. A television book is a telebook, a book which is there on the computer. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? So where was her school? Her school was in the home next to her bedroom. Okay? Did she have any classmates? Classmates थे उसके साथ class में? नहीं. She used to study alone, so she did not have any classmates. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? कौन से subjects पढ़ते थे? From the chapter, we have not been told exactly what the chapters were, but if we pick up the chapter, we came to know about geography. When we talk about geography sector, history, when we talk about Tommy's history sector being blanked out, and arithmetic. When we talk about the last portion of the chapter where the computer is teaching the arithmetic. So these were the short questions, one word questions. Now we move on to reference to context. For reference to context, the first question says, okay, the first question is, who says these words? These words were said by whom? Tommy? What does it refer to here? I would never throw it away. What does it refer to? It refers to your I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? Tommy. What does it refer to? It refers to the book. Which book? Telebook. Fine. What is being compared by the speaker? What is it being compared? It refers to your telebook. So telebook is being compared to which book? The real book. Alright. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. So who has said these lines? Who says these lines? Sure, they had a Tommy is talking to Margie. ये वहाँ है lines जहाँ पे Tommy Margie को बता रहा है कि they did not have regular teachers like us. They had human beings. Who does they refer to? अब ये they किसको refer किया है यहाँ पे इस lines में? We are referring to the old students. The old students of old days. Fine. What does regular mean here? Regular here means the regular teacher जिसको वो refer कर रहा है Tommy. Regular teachers means the normals, mechanical teachers which Tommy and Margie have. Okay. What is it contrasted with? It is contrasted with whom? The human teachers. Alright? Is it clear? Okay. Now we move on to the long questions. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? From the chapter we come to know they are the mechanical teachers, machines. And what are those machines have been described as huge computer screens. They are ugly, they are boring and monotonous. Why boring and monotonous? Because they have no feelings, they are simply like computers. Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers which were switched on whenever the schoolroom was activated. See, whenever you have to do question answers, please be very careful about how you find the answer from the chapter. Directly you will not have a description. So from the chapter you have to find out where it is told. We had a situation where it was told that the computer screen was on for Margie in the A draft. So we were told that they had mechanical teachers which were switched on whenever the schoolroom was activated. They were not real persons. First of all, they were machines, but television screens which had different subject sectors. तो जब हमें पता चला था history sector, geography sector, so we'll talk about they had different subject sectors. These are described as huge, ugly and black screens. They were customized according to the age of the child. Margie says that my mother says they should be according to the age level of the child. So these teachers were customized according to the age of the child. It had separate slots for tests and homework. In case of malfunction, malfunction means जब वो खराब हो जाते थे, they were disbanded and repaired. Disbanded means जो हमने पढ़ा था कि they were opened. The technician used to come, he used to open the computer or the machine. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? This is question 2. Why does she send for the county inspector? First reason was the continuous geography test. ये incident हमें याद होगा कि उसको एक test आ रहे थे बार बार. The computer was giving Margie a continuous geography test which she was not performing very well, and we have already read what was the reason for that. That it was actually the fault of the computer. So to check on Margie's progress, Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because Margie had been performing badly in geography. The repeated fall in her performance, in her progress was worrying the mother. So she called for the county inspector. She started thinking there is some fault in Margie. तो mother ने ये सोचना शुरू कर दिया था कि Margie में ही कोई problem है. So she decided to call a specialist, the county inspector, who could locate the problem and correct it. Alright, so this was the reason why the county inspector was called. What did he do? Now here he refers to the county inspector. उसने क्या करा आके वहाँ पे? ये भी हमने पढ़ा है, ये भी हमने समझा है. The county inspector, who was a technical expert, मैंने आपसे बोला था, it is a technician who is there, was trained to identify and rectify errors in the functioning of the system installed. वो ये चेक करते थे कि क्या वो सिस्टम ठीक चल रहा है, तो वो इसलिए आते थे. So what did he do? जब वो आया उसका कंप्यूटर चेक करने, what did he do? In the mechanical teachers, he dismantled Margie's mechanical teacher and checked for the fault. तो उसने dismantle किया means उसको open किया, उसके अंदर wiring check करी, सारी problems check करी, and he found out the fault, that the fault is in the computer. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? what did the county inspector do to help her? तो उसने कैसे चेक करा? First of all, what did he do? He opened it and checkup of the county inspector. It was checked up. Geography sector had geared up. तो उसने क्या find out किया था कि उसका जो geography sector है वो बहुत fast हो गया है. He slowed it down. उसने उसको slow कर दिया 10-year-old level का. Now let's see how the answer is formed. Margie was doing badly in geography because the speed of the geography sector had been geared up too fast for her level. It was giving her test after test where she was performing worse and worse. The county inspector slowed down the speed of this computer to suit the level of an average 10-year-old child. So उन्होंने क्या किया? He slowed it down to the average 10-year-old child. Now we move on to the next question. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? ये बहुत ही simple question है. इसमें हमने पढ़ा है कि Tommy का what happened to the Tommy's teacher? It had blanked out. The history sector had blanked out. Tommy's mechanical teacher had developed a fault and its history sector had completely blacked out. The machine had to be taken away for repairs and it had taken a month to put it back in order. So this is what was the fault in Tommy's mechanical teacher. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? अब ये क्या मीनिंग है इस क्वेश्चन का कि क्या मार्गी के स्कूल के जो डेज और टाइमिंग थे क्या वो रेगुलर थे? वर दे रेगुलर? येस और नो? येस, दे वर रेगुलर बिकॉज उसकी मदर की ये थिंकिंग थी कि इफ़ द चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग टू स्कूल एंड स्टडिंग at a regular timing every day on that particular time the children will learn better. तो इसलिए उसके regular school days और regular school hours थे. So let's see the answer. Yes, Margie had regular day and hours for school. She studied from Monday to Friday at the same time every day. We have found this answer in the book. It was there. This was mentioned when mother calls her for the school time. Although her school was a large black television screen installed in her own house, she had to attend it regularly. In spite of it, like I told you that time also, that it is not that the school is in the house, in her bedroom, so she can go anytime, anywhere. No, the mother used to think that it should be regular. She had to attend it regularly. Her mother thought that young girls learn things better if they studied at regular hours. उसकी मदर की थिंकिंग थी कि गर्ल्स विल लर्न बेटर इफ दे स्टडी एट रेगुलर आवर्स. हाउ डज टॉमी डिस्क्राइब द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ स्कूल्स? हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि टॉमी जो ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ जो उसने बुक पढ़ी थी उसमें से सारी बात पॉइंट्स पिक करने हैं, एक एक करके सारे पॉइंट्स पिक करने हैं. स्कूल्स कैसे थे, बिल्डिंग्स कैसी थी, टीचर्स कैसे थे, बच्चे वहाँ पे क्या करने जाते थे. तो हाउ डज ही डिस्क्राइब द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ school? Tommy describes the old school as a special building where all the children went to study together. The students of the same age group studied together. We have done this, that there were schools, there was a special building which was named as school and all the children of the locality of that particular place went to study there together. The students of the same age group learned the same things which were taught by human teachers. So we picked up 3 points. See, whenever you answer any question from the book, from extra books, anywhere, you have 3 types of literature questions. So your preparation should be according to that. We get a 4-mark RTC, which I'll be doing more with you. We've done 3 there or 2 already there. Then you have short answers, which I'm doing just now. They are short answers which are 40 to 50 words, 2 markers. So when I am giving you a question of 2 marks, what you need to do is you have to give me at least 2 solid points. If it is a question of some points describing something, explaining something like this, you have to give me 2 solid points. If it is some character sketch, if it is some quality based thing, then there should be at least 4 points. So these are short answers which will be for 2 marks each. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Now how does he describe the old schools? We had 3 points. Human teachers were there. There was a special building. Students of same age went there. Now my question is, how does he describe old kind of teachers? Okay. First was school, now we have teachers. Tommy tells Margie that teachers in the olden times were not mechanical but real human beings or men. They taught various things to boys and girls. What were their teachers? Mechanical teachers, the machines, the computers, the screen. But in the olden times, the teachers were not machines but real human beings. They taught various things to the boys and girls, gave them homework and also asked them questions. The teachers went to a special building called school, where they taught the children in the classrooms. Okay. So what were the 3 points of teachers? That they were humans first of all. They gave a lot of information and told the children a lot of things. Then they used to ask them questions, take tests from them, and they taught them in a special building called the schools. So we've covered up 2-marker questions. Now we move on to long answer questions, which are going to be 8 marks every time you get it in your paper. So 8 marks is how many words? 80 to 100 words should be your answers, and you should have at least 6 to 7 points in it. Points, I mean, if it is a character sketch, you have to tell me 5 or 6 qualities along with the reason or the example. And there are 2 types of long questions which you can get. First is you imagine something, one of the characters, and therefore in this particular section I have taken up both the types of questions. One is an imagine you are one of the characters of the story and you have to either write a diary entry or a letter to somebody or a conversation with somebody. And the second one is theme based, or the question which is the answer you will find in the chapter, maybe describe something, maybe give the character sketch of a person. So first we will do imagine you are Margie. Write a diary entry dated 17 May 2157 about Tommy. Okay. So what are we doing in this? What was the question? What was the chapter when the chapter began? What is this date 17 May? That was a day when she made her diary entry that today Tommy found a book. So you have to write that same diary entry, you can say, extend it, or you have to write a diary entry, what did you find in that particular book which Tommy showed you. Okay. So we will begin with Dear Diary. Nowadays we have taken away with this, we generally don't use it, but yes, in a literature based question you can write date and day and date and then Dear Diary. It has been a wonderful day. So first thing a diary entry you have to keep in mind while writing a diary entry is feelings. This is what the difference between a diary entry and a letter is. In letter we need to tell events, but in diary entry along with events I need to tell the feelings, that when this thing happened, how did you feel? Why? Because diary entries are written for personal purpose, and when later on when you are going to read, you have the event is not important for us. What did you feel at that time, at that point is more important. So let's see how Margie would feel. It has been a wonderful day for me as I have seen a real hardbound printed paper book. So it was a wonderful day. Why? Because for the first time she has seen a real hardbound printed book. In fact, Tommy found the book in the attic of his house when he was cleaning the cupboard of his grandfather. So now she is telling us how did she see the book, because Tommy has found the book in the attic, and where did he? Because when he was cleaning the cupboard of his grandfather. It consists of about 200 pages, which, see, in this particular diary entries and extrapolatory questions, it is not necessary. Like for example, this particular thing was not given in the chapter. Again 200 pages was not given in the chapter. But you can add on your own creative ideas in this, which may be right, may not be right, nobody is going to check that particular thing, but yes, you cannot change the facts which are given in the text, but you can add on something there. We were told he found it in attic, and we have added on that when he was cleaning the cupboard of his grandfather. We have talked about the book, but we can tell some description. It is red in color, it is got 200 pages, which have become yellow and crinkly. Now this is what was already there in the chapter, you have to use. With time, it is a strange experience to read the words. Now she is telling what she found strange in it. Words fixed on its paper, unlike the ones in my telebook that keep moving as I scroll. As I scroll, the words keep on moving in my telebook, but that was fixed. This is what I told you was a strange thing she found. So she is sharing with that diary. When I turn the page, this is the second thing which she is sharing. The same words again. I found the same words again. She is sharing the second thing, that when we turn the page back, the words were same again there. The book is about a school from olden times, about 2 centuries ago. Can you believe that in those times a school was not a room in one's own house? So now she is comparing it with her own school and saying it's not like the schools which we have now, but a special building dedicated to the purpose of teaching and learning. So this exclamatory marks used here shows that she is surprised. Okay. The students of the same level studied the same things, sitting together in the same classroom. So all this information has been found from the chapter. It is really wonderful to think that the teachers were men and not machines. Why is it wonderful for her? Because she hated school, she found it boring. So when human teachers will be there, she feels it's going to be interesting. I really believe that it must have been fun, great fun for children to go to such schools together. So she is finding and saying that I hope and I believe that those children must have been very, very lucky, very, very happy to go to schools together, laughing and joking, playing and teasing each other. How wonderful it must have been that the students helped each other with lessons as well. I wish I could travel back. So now your ending line should be something like this, where you are adding and saying that I wish even I was in that place. I could travel back in time and study in one of the schools. Again, this is something which was not in the chapter, but you can add on for your creativity and it is not wrong. Okay. And sign off as Margi. Why is this very important? Because when the question says imagine you are Margi, you have to write the name Margi, because it can be anybody else also. Maybe by mistake you write your own name. So that will deduct your marks. Okay. Now we move on to the second type of questions which you can get for an 8 mark. Again, this is an 8 mark question. These are textual questions from your NCERT book. What are the main features of the mechanical teachers in the classroom that Margi and Tommy have in the story? Okay. So what do we have here? The whole chapter jinxed, put together, and so what was the first point? First of all, entirely different from one in the 20th century. We are in 20th century, they are in the 22nd century, 2157. So it is entirely different from the, now I will give you the pointers and you can frame the answer yourself. Entirely different from the one in the 20th century, not in a separate special building. So you have to compare and tell that in earlier times it was in a special building called school, but now where was it? You will write that it was but in a room in respective homes. You can even elaborate and tell that like Margi had it next to her classroom, it is like that here. Student is alone. Okay, the students are alone in the room, nobody is there with them as a classmate. And big black ugly television screens were fixed on it, like we have seen in the chapter's picture. The teacher is that. We have mechanical teachers who are teaching them, who assign homework and test. They are mechanical teachers who explain the concept, give them the homework and give them the test. They assess their progress on a regular basis. When they check the test, progress is assessed. Different sectors and subjects, you have to talk about different subjects and sectors which they take up. that is geography, history, arithmetic. You can give example from the chapter and tell that. Then you have to talk about the punch code, which they learn at the age of 6. All the children are taught this. Age level of the student, you have to talk about how the computer teacher or the mechanical teacher is fixed, or you can say adjusted to the level of the child of that particular student. Special slots, you have to talk about the slots. Like I told you, there are special slots in which they put in the homework and the test. So this has to be explained, that there were special slots in which the homework was and the test were put in, submitted. If develops fault, needs repair. How do we come to know this? That a county inspector is called, history sector had blanked out, so his computer went for repair. So there, if the computer teacher or the mechanical teacher developed the fault, it needs repair. Then a fully computerized system. You can end up your answer by saying that ultimately or overall it was a fully computerized system. Everything was done by machines, everything was done by the computer. Okay, we move on to the next question. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Okay, so first we have to give the reason of hating the school, that is her own type of schools. And then why did she think that the old kind of school, क्यों थे old kind of schools interesting उसके लिए? Why did they have fun? तो इस वाले आंसर में हम not tabular form, but yes, old schools have to be compared to their future schools. Okay? So हम points लिख रहेंगे, जैसे वहाँ पे human teachers थे, वहाँ पे robot teachers थे, वहाँ पे computer screen थी which was very difficult. They had to keep on moving on with the level. So every point will be fixed up. It did not have fun. So पहला question है हमारा, why did Margie hate school? So you have to begin your answer by saying that it did not have fun, it was boring, she did not like the whole system. The schedule was regimented. Schedule मतलब उनका एक पूरा proper timetable था. Timetable schools में भी होता है, but then you have activity periods, recess in between and teachers coming and going. तो regimented, regimented क्या होता है? Like a military. तो उनका एक fixed regimented schedule था. Whenever the mother said they had to go to school. No classmates to study or seek help. A very important point, they studied alone. They were all alone, so they did not have a companion, and children are doing best when they are with their friends and with their companions. Due to a snag, continuous tests. Now ये वाला point भी हम लाएंगे, snag refers to fault. तो एक fault की वजह से कैसे वो एक teacher बार बार उसको test देती है. Human teacher will never do that. एक बार क्लास में आई फिर टेस्ट दिया नहीं होगा. This happened in her school. Old schools were better. Now we have brought these 4 points in the answer for why did she hate school, why were the old type of schools better than the new school. So these are the points for the future schools. Alright. Now old schools were better. Now why did she find the old school better? Because first of all they were special building. They used to go out of the house. It was not a boring thing which happened again in the house always. So it was a special building. They would come and go together. Students together went together, laughing and playing. So they went together to school. They laughed there, played their games. They had enjoyment. Then next point, human teachers. Compare it with the robot teachers. Compare it with the mechanical teachers. Did not restrain their students. What was happening with the computer teachers? They were stopping. If the test is not cleared, she is not going to the next level. So they are restraining means stopping the students. So there was no stoppage for them. Gave them a chance to grow up together. Together they would all play and they were given a chance to develop. What do we call education according to us, this present education system? Teachers are not there to teach you. Teachers are only there to give you knowledge so that that knowledge is used by you for some other purpose. Okay? So these are the long questions we've done. Let's practice some more reference to context questions because this is something which I would like to tell you is very, very scoring in your exams, but if you don't read the chapter properly, you will miss out. So the best way to prepare for a reference to text context question is that you should know where the lines are from, and for this there should be a thorough reading of your chapter. So let's just quickly pick it up. Today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told her that there was a time when all the stories were printed on paper. So first thing of an RTC should be, you should be able to locate that where these lines were in your chapter, and then look for the questions. Questions are easy. Generally they are based on the lines which have been given to you, or they will be somewhere above or below that particular line or segment. The old book was found by whom? It's given there, Tommy. Okay. Why was Margie surprised to see the real book? Now this is a kind of a long question. Long question in the sense you have to answer in 1 or 2 lines. Why was she surprised to see a real book? Because first point was she has never seen a printed book. Okay. Second, that words were still. So you can add on this point and say that the words were still, so she found it very strange. At the time of Margie's great grandfather, where were the stories written? ये आंसर बहुत clearly lines में है. It was printed on paper. So where were they? They were on paper. Pick out the word which means small. In most of the RTCs you will find the last question is vocabulary based. So, and when you have pick out, what do we mean? Pick out means from the lines. If we have give, then the word will not be in the lines. I mean, in the sense the word will be given from the lines. You have to tell the meaning. So pick out the word which means small. Let's go back to the lines and see which will it be. Yes, small means little. So what is my answer to the question? That it is little. Alright, so we found all the answers from the lines. Okay, the next one. The inspector smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it to an average 10-year-old level. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." This is when the county inspector has now checked Margie's computer. He has repaired, he has found the fault. Now he is reporting to the mother where was the problem. How did the inspector try to comfort Margie? I pointed out in the chapter time also that comfort means where you are trying to, बच्चे को आप सॉफ्ट कर रहे हो. एक टीचर आ गया, एक बाहर से एक टेक्नीशियन आ गया, बच्चा डर गया एकदम से कि मम्मी भी कह रही थी इट इज़ रॉन्ग. नाउ द इंस्पेक्टर इज कॉल्ड. इफ़ ही फाइंड्स आई एम एट फॉल्ट, आई विल बी पनिश्ड. तो अब वो कंफर्ट कैसे करता है? फर्स्ट ही हैज़ पैटेड मार्गीज हेड. यू कैन राइट पैटेड मार्गीज हेड. You can also add on, which is not in these lines, about the apple. That when he had come, if you remember, he had given her a apple. So these 2 points will be the answer. How did he try to comfort Margie? Why was Margie not able to do the geography well? So what was the reason? Let's go back to lines. That what was the reason? That the geography sector was geared a little too quick. So this was the reason. Why was she not able to perform well? Because the geography sector was very, very fast. How did he correct Margie's mechanical teacher's geography sector? Now without going back to line, what was it? He had slowed it. Slowed it मतलब उसको slow कर दिया था, soft कर दिया था. And कहाँ तक slow गया? Slowed to 10-year-old child's level. Okay, so he had slowed it to 10-year-old child's level. Pick out the word which means on the whole. Let's go back to lines. What are the on the whole means? Pura. On the whole will be overall. Overall pattern means overall on the whole. Okay, let's come to the next last one. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. and all the kids learned the same things. Sure, if they were the same age. So, we have two speakers. Till here we have Tommy speaking. This is Margie again asking that did they learn all the same things? And then here again we have Tommy saying that yes, if they were of same age. I hope you've understood the lines. This is they are talking about the old schools. Why did Tommy scream with laughter? Scream with laughter मैंने पहले भी explain किया था. Tommy screamed with laughter. Why? Because he was feeling irritated first of all, because she was asking lot of questions. Okay? She was asking lot of questions. वो irritate हो गया था कि क्यों बार बार पूछ रही है. Secondly, he screamed with laughter to make fun that you don't even know this. Alright? So these are the two reasons for the answer. Where did the teachers teach? Teachers, here we are talking about the old type of schools. Where did they teach? In a special building. And what was it called? Special building called school. Alright? How was the old school different from Margie's school? We have done the long answer also, we have done a short answer also. You need to give only 1 point because it's a 1 mark question. How was the old school different from Margie's school? Because it was not in the house. Okay? And you can, second reason you can give is for half a mark, that they had human teachers. Fine? Next question. Pick out a word from the passage which means the same as shouted. Let's go back to the lines. Shouted. Can you find it? Screamed. So the answer is Tommy screamed with laughter. The word is screamed. Alright. So keep practicing short answers. Always practice with these three things in your mind. RTC type of questions, short type of questions and long type of questions. In long type of questions, you need to practice about two things again. Imagine one of the characters or a theme based question. So we are over for today. Thank you.